In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use leads in Meta Business Suite. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find your lead center, organize prospects, and keep follow-ups on track without anything slipping through the cracks. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Meta Business Suite. When the results appear, click the official Meta link for Business Suite. If you manage multiple pages, you may be prompted to choose the correct business. Select the one you want to work with so you land in the right workspace. Next, log in using your Facebook or Instagram credentials associated with your business assets. Make sure you have the proper permissions for the page or ad account, otherwise you might not see the lead tools. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar. At the very top, you should see the Lead Center. Click it to open your Lead Management Hub. If you don't see it right away, open the Content or All Tools menu in the left sidebar, then select Lead Center from there. Either route brings you to the same place. Inside Lead Center, you'll see a list of leads collected from your ads and forms. This is where you organize your pipeline. Begin by setting each lead's status. You can move people through stages like raw, in progress, interested, or converted. Think of this as your sales pipeline. Update the status as soon as something changes so everyone stays aligned and your reports remain accurate. If you work with a team, assign leads to specific staff members. Assigning creates clear ownership, prevents duplicate outreach, and helps you see who is responsible for each follow-up. It's a simple way to speed up response times and improve consistency. Use the Notes section on each lead's card to capture context. Add details from conversations, preferences, objections, or timing. Notes live with the lead, so anyone on your team can jump in and immediately understand what's happened so far and what comes next. To keep momentum, schedule reminders. Set a follow-up date so Meta alerts you when it's time to call, message, or email again. This prevents quiet leads from going cold. Choose a date and time that matches your customer's availability and your working hours to boost your response rate. Finally, if you need to work outside Meta or share data with your team, click the download icon, the small downward arrow, in the Lead Center. Save your leads as a CSV or Excel file for reporting, analysis, or syncing with your other systems. That's it. You've searched, logged in, opened Lead Center, organized statuses, assigned ownership, added notes, set reminders, and exported leads. Follow this flow every day, and your pipeline will stay clean, current, and conversion ready.